Hey guys, and welcome back. So today we have a lotion applicator for your back. You can apply lotion and body wash. This also comes with 4 little heads. You have the wooden handle and you have a non-slip grip for your shower. Alright, so here is a 2-in-1 application bath set. So in this bath set, you will receive the surface for the lotion application pad that has a grid pattern 1, a flat surface lotion application pad. You have a small lotion applicator pad. The best features of this, it says there's a wooden handle, the lined shower head. So these are the package contents. So let's go ahead and open up. So when we first open up, you can see all the applicators. You get 4 little pads. You get 3 big ones and 1 small one. So these are curved 14-inch round handles, which are the lotion applicators. Is perfect for the hard reach areas, like in the middle of your back. It's great to fully moisturize and tan your body. You can use body soap. So right here is your non-slip grips for your shower. That comes included with this. So it tells you the anti-slip tape. You have our user manual. This tells you a little bit about the pads and how to install them. So what this has a clear resistant coating for the lotion applicator design. Alright, so let's dab into the little brushes themselves. So these pads have a unique and larger than anything else available in the market to pamper your skin. So with these ones here, you can apply lotion that is designed to withstand prolonged use without splitting or cracking. So you do get 4 of them, and they're very nice and plush. These are soft. So not only is this good for lotion and soap, you can also apply your favorite gel, lotion, ointment, and cream. So apply the lotions, creams, medicated ointments evenly. It says the handle is over 14 inches in length with 2 sizes applicator pad for easy self-application. So you do get 4 of these ones at the bottom. This is where you will stick the handle right in here. Each one of these have these little holes for your applicator. So you can see this one does as well. The little one as well has a little hole. So here's the 4th one. So this will last you a while. So these last pretty much a long time. So I would say you could probably get a couple months out of each one. So this will last you a while. They're very soft to the touch. So now we have the handle. This is a wooden handle. You can see it's nicely cut. So we're just going to put the bottom pad on. I'm just going to slip it in here just like that. And it just does just like that. You can rub your back, your legs, on your hips, your side. It's got a good little strap here to hold up. And you've got some indentations for your hands. So these are really nice. Again, these pads are really soft. They're more like a foam. So they feel very soft against your skin. So if you want to change them out, you just pop it out like that. And you switch on to the next one. Just push it in the hole, just like this. And this is the different size for smaller areas. The bigger ones are for the bigger areas. And they are soft to the touch. So with this one here, it actually helps you to extend your reach to your back. It says it can reach up to 17 inches, plus creating ease for your back and feet. More girth in the handle creates a better grasp. The textured rubber grip provides a comfortable and secure non-slip grip even when it's wet. So this is what you get in this set. You get 4 little pads, 3 big ones, 1 small one. You get a bathtub anti-slip grippers, and you get the manual. So this is a really nice little back thing, especially when you want to put lotion on or you just want to get to the hard reach areas in your back. I would definitely check this one out. This is a nice little set. The pads are very nice and soft.